Hey everybody, welcome to Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe now and hit that bell icon so that you get notified of my new videos. Welcome to my channel where I believe everyone is a star. What I'm going to prepare for breakfast is I'm going to prepare idli. So I have already prepared this idli batter here. It's 3:1 ratio. 3 idli rice to 1 urad dal. 3 cups of idli rice to 1 cup of urad dal and 4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds or mendiham or methi dana, which gives it a softer consistency to the idli. So I have greased all my idli plates here. This is a 12 plate idli thing. So I'm going to pour the idli on the idli stand. So you need to really mix the idli batter well so that comes really well, and you have to pour it in one go. That's about it. So if you're liking what you're watching right now, please do subscribe to my channel Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen on YouTube. You can also find me on other social media channels, for which the links are in the description box below. So the process for idli is for grinding the rice and urad dal is that you use it in a grinder, and what you do then is you soak it for 4 hours ideally, and then it ferments overnight. You have to leave it for fermentation for overnight, and you always need to mix it with your hand. So I am pouring the next plate here. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe now if you're liking the content. So I'm going to also grind coconut chutney with it. So I'll show you the process when I do that. So please do subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. You can also follow me on other social media channels. Support me through Patreon, buy me a coffee. I'll be putting all the links in the description box below. So I have now poured 8 idlis. I'm going to pour in the last one. You need to leave a little bit of gap for the idli to rise. It's okay if you are not able to pour it in one go, you can always adjust and pour. So I hope you are liking this video. I'll come back and show you when the idli is done. You need to cook it or steam it for 10 minutes on the idli steamer or on the idli cooker, as they say here in the south. So yes, I have poured in. So I'll come back to you when it's done. Please continue to watch this video till the end, so that you are able to get useful information from this video. Thank you. Hey everybody, I am now preparing for coconut chutney. I have taken half a coconut, I have grated it, and I've added half green chili here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sort of kind of tempering of chana dal. So I am adding a teaspoon to half a tablespoon of gingerly oil, or nalgana as they call. So if you use chana dal, it's really tasty. So I hope you know it. So I'm adding 1, 2 and 3 tablespoons of chana dal. I'm going to roast it until it's golden brown. Make sure you have the stove in under simmer. So I'll just I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of hing powder or asafoetida powder. So hing is digestive. Chana dal gives taste to your coconut chutney. So I'm going to give it I'm going to saute it for a minute or so, under a minute. So if you're liking my video right now, do subscribe to my channel Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen and hit that bell icon so that you get notified of my new videos. And please follow me on other social media channels. The links are in the description box below. I have a new channel, YouTube channel, Star Skiller, which I'll also link up here. Go and check out. Please go and check out. It's all about food blogging. It's a podcast channel, so I talk about food blogging and blogging and all the social media updates that are happening on different platforms and how you can monetize your creativity. So please also subscribe to my channel there. I also have other channels. So what I'm going to do is for it to cool and I'm going to make sure that the chana dal doesn't get burnt or doesn't become black. See, it's golden in color. That's about it. So that's about it. After this, I'm going to make a temper for the coconut chutney that is going to be of mustard seeds alone. So what I'm going to do now that I'm going to grind my grated coconut here. Once it's done, I'll show it to you. You need to have a thick consistency. You need to have a watery consistency for idli, for your as a side dish or for your accompaniment. So for dosa, the chutney needs to be of thick consistency. So I'll show you the coconut chutney once it is done. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, which is Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen, where I believe I'm a star. Please help me in reaching 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. I hope to bring in more such useful content for you. Stay tuned. So what I've done is I've added the roasted chana dal to the coconut, to the grated coconut, and to the along with green chili. I'll just grind it. I'll grind it and I'll then show it to you. Kindly stay tuned to my channel till the end of this video so that you get to see the soft homemade idlis, which are really healthy for your breakfast. You can eat idlis every day. Look at the color on the chana dal. I hope you are liking my video. Stay tuned. Mustard seeds, and I'm going to at last garnish with half lemon. So I'm adding a quarter to half teaspoon of oil, just for the sake of for tempering. That's enough. I'm going to take a teaspoon of mustard, and I've added it. A teaspoon of mustard. Our idlis, homemade soft idlis, are ready. I'll also show that to you. So just saute it so that the moment it starts to crackle, and halfway through it you can pour it on the chutney. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen, where I believe in a star. You can also follow me on other social media channels for which the links are in the description box below. I have an affiliate link also. You can go and check that also, through which I will receive a tiny commission if you buy something out of my link provided in the affiliate link provided in the description box below. So let it crackle. Our breakfast is done. So if you like what you have seen today, and if you like to see more such healthy and delicious videos, please do subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, and also follow me on other social media channels. And your feedbacks and suggestions are most welcome. The channel can grow only when its viewers and subscribers give me feedback. So my subscribers and my viewers are important to me. So I need your feedback. What else do you want to see on my channel? So it has started to crackle. You can switch off the flame And here we go. Our coconut chutney is ready. It's time for me to squeeze the lemon to it. It's part of the chutney, and if you don't have lemon, you can very well add tamarind early on. You can add tamarind along with the chana dal when I had sauteed it or roasted it. You can use tamarind that time, and you can roast it along with it and add water as I did water. So I am squeezing half lemon. So it's also good, gives taste, and it's part of our home's tradition that we add lemon to it. Lemon is good for your health as it's got vitamin C. And so just mix it up. I need to add a little bit of water to it because it's thick, as I told you. So I'm adding half a cup of thing. So I added it. Mix it well. Our breakfast idli and coconut chutney is ready. So as always, please do subscribe to my channel Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen. I'll just test it. Oh, it's perfect. Everything is perfect. It absolutely tastes fine. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next episode, in my next video. Thank you. Hey everybody. So our breakfast for today is idli and chutney. So look at this, how soft they are, and here's the chutney. So it's idli and chutney for breakfast. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe now and hit that bell icon so that you get notified of my video every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, look at this idli, how soft it is, how well it has boiled, and the batter has come up well. Look at those inner details. So very soft idli, homemade idli. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now for more such delicious, healthy and tasty recipes. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. And I'll show it to you. I'm having this with coconut chutney. Oh, idli is damn soft. Idli is damn soft. This is perfect idli, homemade idli. Wow, it's perfectly soft. Very soft. Very soft. Very soft. Subscribe now for more such videos. Thanks for watching.